Hello there, this is Antonio Mystic Bellissimo here. We just finished meditating. We got hungry, so now we're gonna cook ourselves some fast food fast. First, we're gonna start with look in the freezer. We found this mushroom risotto from Trader Joe's, which comes from Italy. It's fantastic. Wait till you see you can do this. And then found some shrimp from Trader Joe's. And some other shrimp, and if you have like seafood, chicken, whatever, you can make this with this rice. And it comes out fantastic. In 12 minutes, you watch. Okay.
All right.
Are you ready, Veronica? Veronica's never done this before. I'm gonna walk her through it.
I'm the student.
Okay. First put the olive oil, I gotta find the... Ooh. Okay, so we got the fire going here, so I have to put in the lighter. She put the olive oil in. Now, this is all optional because you can, hello mama. Oh mama, don't fall down. Mama fall down. Sorry mama. Okay, so when you cook for yourself, it's very easy. You can just do whatever crazy thing you got. Okay, the risotto is great, and so is the shrimp. So we're gonna take the shrimp. This is optional, like I said. So we're gonna saute the shrimp. How many would you like?
Yeah.
All of it?
No,
Okay, we're gonna use these other guys too because they were in the freezer, so they shrink down sometimes. I need the scissors. All right, so now we'll saute these babies up. That's it. Get the spoon. All right, we're gonna put in some fresh ground pepper and some, I don't know, seasoned herb, everyday seasoning from Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's. Some like that. Or if you don't have this, you can put a little salt, a little pepper, a little garlic, onion, whatever you want. It's cool, it'll come out good. Am I gonna fall down again? Oh boy. Okay, they cooking pretty good?
Yep.
Okay, so you cook the shrimp. Let's see, how many minutes has it been? About 3 minutes?
Yes.
About 3 minutes so far. But then you gotta like get the shrimp kind of happy. How do you feel, Dr. Veronica? I'm cooking with a real scientist here, you know what I mean? Real scientist.
Can you tell?
Yeah, I'm a spiritual scientist, but she's a real scientist. We open the wine, like that. And we're gonna give it a little drink. So we'll put a little bit of white wine, like that. I don't know how much that was, couple, 2-3 spoonfuls. Don't worry about it, you can drink some for yourself. Now this is the same process of cooking like seafood. Any seafood you can cook the same way. You could put some butter in if you want it. You can put spicy. You like spicy?
Yes. Spicy.
Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of red chili pepper.
Yeah.
Red chili pepper. Like that. Do your choice. At the same time, I think I like tomato. You like tomato?
Yes.
We like tomato. Okay. We're gonna put. Okay. Here comes the tomato.
Yeah.
Put the tomato in there. Fresh basil from the garden. Right there. Yeah. And those babies are almost ready. So if you like.
How do you know?
Well, shrimp cook. First of all, you can eat them raw.
Okay.
Second of all, they cook very fast. When they turn the color they are right now. That's baby cooking right there. Huh? Fresh basil, tomato, shrimp, and white wine. Okay, it looks It looks almost, the tomato is almost like simmering, right?
I think so.
So whenever, any time now, get the bag of risotto, you kind of smoosh it around. Italian baby. Punch a hole in it. And you pour it into the mix. There you have it. Now the instructions are on the bag how to cook it by itself is fantastic anyway. But I like to fix things, so I knock them up a notch. Those are mushrooms, believe it or not, square mushrooms.
Wow.
Yeah, stir it up. Normally the risotto by itself you can cook in 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes, and it's fantastic. So you can put the lid on it now for a couple minutes. Yeah, this way the heat will penetrate through it because the risotto is frozen.
Right.
And how does it feel, Professor?
He feels very hungry right now.
Yeah.
I'm anxiously awaiting our results, and I'm sure it will taste wonderful, and we'll eat it all.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, now you have to put a very special ingredient now. A big handful of love. Yeah, just grab a handful of love. Okay. Yes, I feel it already. Feel the love. Okay. Now turn down the flame. Turn down the flame. Yeah, that's good. And just let it simmer for about, I don't know, 2 or 3 more minutes. It's ready.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's check it.
Looks delicious.
Yeah, make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan anywhere. That's the idea by stirring it up all around the sides. Now leave the lid off and let it cook for another couple minutes to absorb some of that flavor that all ties together. Mama's happy. The risotto looks good. I think that risotto looks done. Oh, the final touch. Okay, so Veronica decided to add
some greens.
Some greens to this. These are fresh.
They look too pale.
Fresh spinach, right?
Yes, fresh spinach.
Okay.
But also chard
Chard.
and collard greens.
Collard greens, fantastic.
And a bit of kale. This is all the most powerful greens mixed together.
We gotta make loving, healthy food
And
for your body and your soul and your mind.
yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah, look at that baby, beautiful. Oh my God, I can't wait to eat it. Oh, look at that.
Yum. All right. Anyway, I think we're done.
What do you think, doctor?
I think we're done and we're hungry.
All right, let's try it. Okay, it's getting closer. Manja, manja, you will say it's best. Videos for, right?
Absolutely.
All right,
All right. Good night.
10 minutes.